Your patio has been a sound investment for you, but you need to maintain and ensure that that investment will have a long-term benefit for you. For that, you need to ensure you are maintaining and keeping it in the best condition you can. The better work and more time you put into it, the longer it will last and always look fantastic for you. A golden rule in the maintenance of your garden patio is to avoid any acid cleaners. These are detrimental to natural stones, and for porcelains they can actually remove the surface protected layer, and that can make it more porous and susceptible to moisture absorption, which when cold can actually create cracking and damaging. So natural stone can be jet washed at least 2-3 times a year if needs be, and you can use a kind of soft purpose-made detergent for natural stone that will help kind of manage and maintain any of the green algae growth that can occur. But you can just keep it looking crisp and new, and you always want to be out in that space. When maintaining your patio, make sure you're looking out for anything that may be going wrong. If there's anything in the jointing that's lifting, get it fixed as quickly as you can so no weeds can get a hold of that patio area, because that can create lifting of your paving slabs. If you can't put the furniture away in the winter, make sure you cover your furniture and lift the feet off of the actual surface of the paving. This will prevent any of the tannins coming from the wood and staining your paving permanently. When it comes to the maintenance of your porcelain patio, it's the same kind of process where you can jet wash it and then certainly regular sweeping. You also have the added bonus, you can mop with some warm soapy water and just keep on top of it, especially if you've got those light colors and you want that crisp contemporary finish. It takes a little bit of extra time, but it's worth it. In addition to the maintenance of your porcelain paving, if you actually use some of the ultimate range grouts, they have an anti-mold built into them, and that should reduce the amount of work and attention needed on any of the grout surfaces. Other options you could do is apply a sealer to the porcelain surface, and that reduces again the amount of workload you'll have for up to 2 years before you need to recoat. So your maintenance process is quite straightforward. Regular sweeping, jet washing, mopping if it's on porcelains, and paying attention to jointing and grouting.